In front of me is Poco F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. To unpin it, do exactly the same. To get rid of it, hold it again and this time choose Delete option. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!